probably heard that before, right? People pull back because they think they are interrupting our peace. But honestly, presence doesn't exclude people. It simply enriches the time we spend together with anyone, even with just ourselves. In fact, we often welcome company. We often welcome people warmly, especially when the connection feels real and sincere, not forced. Staying present is a superpower, I have to say this. Let's underline this. Being present, truly present, is one of the rarest emotional skills today. Presence means you're not distracted, you're not rushing, you're not performing, you are actually there, your mind and your heart. This is why solitude lovers seem peaceful alone. We're good at sinking into the moment. Sometimes we even forget the time. But this same presence makes us wonderful to be around. I really hope so. It means when you talk, we really, really hear you. When we spend time together, we're not half somewhere else. When we share moments, they are intentional and meaningful. Presence is never a barrier, it's a doorway. Being good at solitude doesn't mean we don't enjoy people. Some people need busy energy around them. Some people recharge with quiet. But solitude lovers, we treasure both our time alone and with the people we love. We value the conversations that matter. We value interactions that feel real and connections that feel emotionally safe. We don't need constant company, but we deeply appreciate thoughtful company, for sure. When someone says, "I don't want to bother you," it can be confusing, especially because we never said we dislike company. But here's an important point. People are often just projecting their own discomfort onto others. Maybe they don't like being interrupted. Maybe they feel insecure about starting deep conversations. Maybe they fear being unwelcome. So they assume we must feel the same. But assumptions create distance. Connections could exist, but without asking and clarifying, it would just be distancing ourselves from everything. We never said, "You are not welcome here." In fact, we always welcome people generously, as long as the connection is meaningful, honest, and human. Not for entertainment, not noise, not small talk for the sake of it. Real presence and real conversations feel good. They allow us to get to know you and vice versa. That's pretty dang amazing, don't you think? Don't project your own insecurity onto others. This is so important. If someone sees you comfortable in your own company, they might think, they probably don't want to talk. They are happier alone. They prioritize privacy and may not want to meet me. But privacy is a whole nother thing. How can it be lumped together with spending time and connecting with people? That's two very different things. But shouldn't